Hi folks, my name is Joe Mull, and I am on a mission to fill the world with better bosses. I know you probably think that virtual can't be that exciting, but hold on and look out because we're going to have a really good time together today. The relationship between an employee and their boss is the single most influential factor in that employee's commitment and engagement. Put simply, commitment comes from better bosses. But where do better bosses come from? I'm going to outline the conditions that leaders like you must create to get people firing on all cylinders. I am coming to you from a virtual broadcast studio, and we're now using multiple cameras, professional lighting and audio, and a ton of tools to bring people right into the room with me. In fact, we have leaders tell us all the time that our remote events are so engrossing, they forget they're participating via video. So here's what we're going to do. I'm going to have you type your answers into the chat box, and I'm going to meet you over here at the flip chart. Sometimes we take the action because it's challenging in a way that we find to be fulfilling. I'll meet you back over there at the main camera. So today's workshop is about getting better at feedback conversations, and in particular, getting better at overcoming resistance and defensiveness so that you can supercharge performance. Woo! Yes! I think that's pretty stinking cool. I don't know, what do you think? Finally, great bosses have to know how to develop relationships.
It's a great question, Manish. Thank you for asking that. I think that's probably the #1 struggle.
I do not have any hang-ups about using the word boss. Whether the word leader is better than manager or supervisor, those are a distraction. Instead of spending our energies insisting that the word boss is bad, let's put that effort into making sure everyone knows how to avoid showing up as a bad boss. What kind of boss are you capable of becoming now that you know what people need to be at their best every day? Imagine the transformation that could occur. I mean, across society. Well, it starts with you and how you show up as a boss for the people in your charge. Remember, commitment comes from better bosses. For more information, just send us an email at hello@joemull.com. Thanks for watching.